Hi, my name's Nova, and this is the lunge to chair stand-up. I'm going to start with my hands in front of me at about chest height. I have my hands pretty close together and my right hand is on top. I think about bringing the pole in towards my left armpit. I turn to the right and I open my legs into a lunge. My hips are in front of the pole and I bring my left leg in, I thread it around between my right leg and the pole, and I bring the pole in between my thighs. I bring my toes back, I tuck them down, and I roll my body up. Let me show you from a different angle. I start with my hands in front of me, my right hand is on top, my hands are at about chest height. I pull the pole into my left armpit as I turn to the right. I open my legs into the lunge. My hips are in front of the pole. I'm going to swing my left leg in between my right leg and the pole, thread it around, and pull the pole in between my legs. I tuck my toes under and I roll my body up.